Good morning. We are at the Manhattan Terminal, Pier 88, and we're getting ready to board the Carnival Venezia, and we'll be on a 12-day cruise to the Caribbean. Come with us. Anna just showed up with her lunch. She's going
chicken tacos.
Chicken tacos. Well, we are in an ocean view on the second floor. Here's our here's a television. You have nightstands. You have a USB over on one side of the tables for charging, the bed, a couch. Here's the vanity, a stool, the refrigerator, the water we ordered, some shelving, and over here we have some cubby holes, the safe, and 3 drawers. The next closet, we have space to hang our life jackets, more hanging space. Then over here we have some spots to hang your jackets, the main bathroom, the vanity, your typical cruise bathroom with a shower, no curtain, yay. And then we have the second bathroom, which is a tub. We have a tub, the little vanity, mirror, but yeah, it's a nice little bathroom. That way 2 people can shower at the same time. And over here we have Anna.
For you.